Hi guys, my name is Ragini Maheshwari and I'm going to show you some of the Windows accessibility features. So this is my Word document and I am going to show you how this can read. So there is a feature which is called Read Aloud, and students can use that feature, which is the
Halloween. Everyone dressed up and had a party. Not just Amy. Amy was.
So that's a Read Aloud feature. Then the other feature that I looked into is the spelling and the grammar. So if you see and if you click on this left one, the spelling and the grammar, this document is already being checked. So that is good. But if I am writing something which is, this is my document, and I hope you enjoy. And I can use the feature which is spelling and grammar. So this one, enjoy, I purposely made the spelling incorrect, so just wanted to see what it does. So it's giving me the correct spelling and I can just change it and I get that. So now the whole document of mine is checked for spelling and grammar. If I need to look at the vocabulary, so like the word investigate, and if I review, I can use a thesaurus. So thesaurus can tell me what is the meaning of investigate. So here you can see, and it's going to show up. So these are the meanings of the investigate, examine, explore. So these are some really cool features which students can use, and especially the students with disabilities can use when they are writing or making their documents. There's another feature that I found which I thought was very interesting, and that is dictate. So if you want to use the dictate feature, and I'm going to show you right now. So this is I'm going to dictate in English. I hope you're doing very well. Today is Sunday and it is raining outside. So see, I used the dictate features. I was dictating and it was just writing for me. So these are some really, really good features that I found very helpful for my students and for them to use.